Just putting a concealer over your lips before doing any kind of lipstick or lip gloss, it gives you a pop up of the colors. So that's why I always use a concealer before using any lipstick or anything else. So you should not skip these things. The next one is the blue. It's actually a green sea blue color that I put all over my lips, and I just enhance it twice and thrice in order to take the color that I want. And this skin color lip liner, I put just in order to make the line clear visible while putting this lipstick. It should not come out of there. And again I put the green lip liner in order to pop up the color. And then today I have decided to make my own color, so this could be stuck over there, and I finally take out, and then I'll put some bronzer in it and concealer again. Then I'll mix it in order to take the color that I want. And I said that it's okay, let's use some kind of glittery something. For that you can use any kind of glitter or your shadow palettes. I used some kind of this with a lighter color that makes it a little bit enhanced, and then I'll mix that all together, and that the result come out like this. And then I put over my lips. It's not bad. You should be very carefully that you should not cross the line, the double line that you had already made over your lips. It gives you a clear enhanced limit that you should be around this area. You cannot come out of that. So it's really make your work so easy and so nicely, and that is come like this. And a little bit transaction I had done there. So I've final touch to clean up all from your edge of your lips. It's very necessary. Till here you can stop, but I guess let's put some glitter and some in, elaborate it a little bit more defensively. So I put a little bit concealer, because one tone does not make me attractive, so I make it a little bit more attractive. And you can see I'll manage that and a little bit blend it in order to make it in two-tone with your lip. Just play with your lipsticks, and like this come out. And I put it some photos and I posted it which one you like. And you, in short, do not forget to watch the photo shoots of my this lipstick tone.